Cancer. It's a word none of us want to hear while sitting in a doctor's office. Well, a Clearwater resident got that diagnosis in 2004, but instead of letting the disease just beat him, Bob Gibbs fought back. But now he needs your help. We are taking action with Bob tonight with information on a state-of-the-art cancer vaccine trial and a bike tour called Miles for Hope. Bob Gibbs is a biker and a fighter. He's on the ride of his life. Diagnosed with a life-threatening brain tumor, he did his own research, traveled to California and UCLA for surgery, and was enrolled in a clinical trial for a brain tumor vaccine.
What we're trying to prove is that the patient's own immune system can recognize tumor cells and hopefully prevent these brain cancers from coming back.
Bob travels to UCLA every 3 months for this vaccine shot, made up of proteins from his own tumor mixed with his own immune cells.
Bob is a good candidate for this in the sense that we were able to take out his tumor. He's otherwise very healthy, and we're hoping he'll be able to mount a good immune response against any residual tumor cells.
So far, both the first MRI was clear, and the vaccine is actually showing great promise.
Good news for Bob, but he says it took 4 years from his initial diagnosis until he qualified for this state-of-the-art vaccine trial. His cancer simply wasn't serious enough until it reached grade 3. That is unacceptable to Bob and the family he loves, who also suffered during his long, trying illness. So now Bob is taking action.
I told Barb that that was going to be the mission, was once I came out of surgery that I was not going to rest until we raised funds to expand the clinical trial.
So Bob got on his bike and started riding toward a solution. He and his wife came up with Miles for Hope, the first annual charity bike ride tour to support brain cancer research. Its inaugural ride kicks off in Clearwater September 20th.
The intent of the event is to raise about $200,000 to expand the clinical trial to include grade 2 tumor patients as well as pediatric patients.
And again, that event is Saturday, September 20th. If you'd like some more information on it, go to abcactionnews.com/